cry. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan.
Okay, let's fix the drain. Things get seized on here. Seized. Seize the moment. That's what they meant by that. Okay, I get it. Oh god. Oh my god. There we go. There we go. Somebody probably put drain cleaner down here at one time and ate up the little. Yep. See that? I don't know if y'all can see that or not, but the stems ate right off. There's no stem there. That's why you don't use drain cleaner. Hey. I don't know why they do that. So I'm trying to get y'all in a place where y'all can see, but this is not working very good. I need some more shit. Alright, let me not. There we go. Come on. Alright, so half of this crap she can't even reach that she has. So what I'm gonna do, she's complaining about her pop-up stopper thing, so I got a new rod to go in there. And a new pop-up. So we're gonna get this pop-up like that. I'm just gonna screw that on there. Just like that. You don't have to put Teflon. They shouldn't leak when you get them right. And just you don't want these very tight. You don't have to go tight at all. Well, it's not a lug wrench. You don't want to do that. This is something I do more than often because people get crazy with that drain cleaner, and I know somebody put drain cleaner down her drain because that's what she was complaining about, is discoloration of the pop-up. Because if you go too tight, she won't even be able to lift this bar. So I'm actually going to back this off a bit as long as it doesn't leak. But I need her, she's a weak woman, so I need her to have access to being able to do that. There we go. Alright, so hopefully that doesn't leak or anything. Oops, I lost you guys. Alright. Alright, so I'm going to put this clip on. Put the clip on first, put the bar on second, put the clip on third again. There we go. Just bend this however you want, and that'll control your pop-up. Let's go upside here. There we go. That's the new pop-up, as you can see what he's talking about. Let's check for a leak. I don't see any leaks. That's good. But as you can see, somebody used drain cleaner and it ate up the chrome on here, so she's not happy with the way this pop-up is looking, being all dirty and stuff. And I can't, you know, I can't blame her. But, so, just checking for a leak. And these are the simple fixes, you know. Alright. Whoops. Alright, so let's get, whoops. Let's see something here. You're in the sink. You're in the action. I'm moving that with my hand. That ought to do it for now. I mean, but yeah, that's why you don't want to use drain cleaner right there, guys. It'll eat that bar right up. There's the old clips and stuff. There we go. Let me put back all her stuff here. She's got a whole bunch of stuff. Put it back just the way she had it. I didn't want any of her bandages getting wet or... It's funny they put the sanitary items underneath it, like the worst place to put your bandages, guys. I mean, really. I got a new pack of chisels here. I got a door that should shim it, but she's complaining about the door. When the door's closed, it's a little tight right here. And I've tried to loosen up the bottom and pull it outwards and then tighten in the top, but I've tightened it as tight as I can get it without stripping the screws, so that noise. Ooh. Let me see. So it's scrubbing right there. Right there. So what I'm thinking is I'm just going to take a chisel and chisel that off a little bit. I don't think that's going to hurt anything, right? Granted, guys, this is probably not the best way to do things, but let me get this chisel. I'm sure a lot of y'all are going to be like, oh, screwing up the door. We'll paint it afterwards. Just a couple wood chips. I've tried shimming it, like I said, but that's all it takes right there. A little bit of that. Lex has a nice trick for that, but it didn't work either. See, if you can see, the door gets thinner at the top. As you go down, it gets a lot wider. Somebody's hit this and bent. These are spring-loaded hinges. Somebody's bent the heck out of these hinges. Some of them are popping out of the bottom like this one. And there's a little spring in here to auto door close. So that's probably one of our problems right there. That little nick right there is not going to hurt anything. And her door still locks and opens just as smooth as it did. Now, another door problem. I'm going to take as much as this. I'll come back and clean up more of the little bits on my vacuum. Another problem is this door right here. If you can see, there's a bend in the track right there. See that bend? This is causing that bracket to slide back and forth, not keeping the door taut. So what you want to do, take and push down that roller. Ouch. Open this just like that. Next thing I do, alright, I'm going to take a pair of channel locks that I just used on her sink. I'm going to squish this shut. Just grab that and squish it. Squish it shut. I do this even on a new install so that bracket thing doesn't keep sliding forward. This thing wants to slide forward all the time. And she couldn't close her closet door. So, see now it's more tight than it was. But I'm pushing down on the roller and then it clicks into place like that. There you go. Look at that. Now it won't go past that point and get caught. That's what was happening. And this door mates up just nice. Just like that. I mean, yeah, we're about 1/16 inch off of being level, but if the door ding works, they don't care. I mean, that's a nice smooth door right there. Look at that. Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man, 3 little problems in one apartment that she found, and I think I fixed them. I mean, we're here to make people happy, so we had this, we had the door, we chiseled off a little bit of stuff. Just gonna come back and with my vacuum, my little vacuum, and go shoo. She won't even know the better. And then the closet door. 3 little fixes. 14 minutes later, we're done. Right? Guys, Jeff the Maintenance Man, you have a great day. Thanks for liking, commenting, and subscribing.
I've been all around the globe trying to protect